I have to make it back. Oh my goodness, it's hard. Was easy when I came. Was easy when I came. Oops. Yeah, it was easy when I came. It was very easy. Already the hardest part. Someone put something for someone who was lost. I'm not sure if was lost on the river, in the river, or somewhere else. But they choose to put this here. I'm not sure about the story. Cannot. It's hard to move. Yeah, I mean, this is someone lost here, but I'm not sure. The memory of Christopher Collier. Lost June 22nd, 1999. So, yeah. So I'm not sure. Okay. Let's go back this way. Colorado River in Rifletown, Colorado. This is the rest area around here. Rest area.